Contested versus uncontested divorce. What is the difference? Divorce is never an easy decision, and the process itself can be just as challenging. In New York, couples seeking to end their marriage must choose between a contested and an uncontested divorce. Understanding the differences between these two can help individuals navigate this difficult transition more effectively. Legal considerations of divorce. New York law recognizes two main types of divorce: contested and uncontested. An uncontested divorce occurs when both spouses agree on key issues, such as asset division, child custody, and spousal support. This type of divorce is typically quicker and less expensive since it does not require extensive court intervention. A contested divorce, on the other hand, happens when spouses cannot reach an agreement on one or more aspects of the divorce. This process involves litigation, where a judge decides on issues such as property distribution, child support, and custody arrangements. Contested divorces often take longer and can be more costly due to legal fees and court expenses. An experienced lawyer can provide guidance on which divorce process is best suited for your situation. Consulting an attorney ensures that your rights are protected and that you fully understand the implications of your divorce. A law firm can assist with both contested and uncontested divorce cases, helping clients navigate the complexities of the legal system. Key differences between contested and uncontested divorce. The primary difference between these two types of divorce is the ability of both spouses to cooperate. In an uncontested divorce, both parties come to an agreement without requiring court intervention. This process generally takes between 3 to 6 months to finalize, depending on the complexity of the assets involved and whether mediation is needed. A contested divorce, however, often requires multiple court hearings, negotiations, and sometimes even trials. This process can take anywhere from 9 months to over a year. Factors such as child custody disputes, financial disagreements, and allegations of misconduct can significantly prolong the proceedings. Additionally, the financial burden of a contested divorce is typically higher than that of an uncontested divorce. Court fees, legal representation, and potential professional witnesses can add up, making the process significantly more expensive. Conversely, an uncontested divorce usually only requires basic court filing fees and minimal legal expenses. Emotionally, contested divorces tend to be more draining. The lengthy court battles and disagreements can take a toll on both spouses and their families. Uncontested divorces, while still emotionally challenging, tend to be less adversarial and allow for a smoother transition. Understanding the process. For those considering an uncontested divorce, the process begins with both parties reaching an agreement on major issues. Once a settlement is drafted, it is submitted to the court for approval. If all documents are in order and the judge finds the agreement fair, the divorce is finalized without the need for further court proceedings. A contested divorce follows a more structured legal process. If negotiations fail, the case moves to trial, where a judge makes the final decisions on unresolved issues. This often involves hearings, discovery, where both parties exchange relevant information, and sometimes mediation attempts before a ruling is issued. If a divorce begins as uncontested but disagreements arise later, it can transition into a contested divorce. When this happens, legal intervention becomes necessary, and the process can become lengthier and more complex. Choosing the right path for your divorce. Deciding between a contested and uncontested divorce depends on your unique circumstances. If both spouses can communicate and compromise, an uncontested divorce may be the best option. It saves time, money, and emotional strain. However, if there are unresolved disputes that cannot be settled amicably, a contested divorce may be necessary. If you are considering a divorce in New York, consulting an experienced attorney is crucial. At the law office of Ryan Besinque, we provide dedicated legal support to help clients navigate both contested and uncontested divorce cases. Our law firm is committed to protecting your rights and ensuring a smooth legal process. To discuss your situation and explore your options, contact the law office of Ryan Besinque today at 929-251-4477. Our office is located at 115 West 25th Street, 4th floor, New York, New York, 10001, United States. Let us help you move forward with confidence.